AGS. This is my first film with AGS, and we've been talking for years now. I think for 3-4 years we've been talking of doing something together, and I'm so happy and glad it's your 25th film and it's Thalapathi's film. And thanks to you, Thalapathy. So thanks to Thalapathy, and it all happened and fell in place, and it was a very. I think we just did this film in 11-12 months. I think now 1 year we finished the whole film. Actually, this film Hollywood la panna and it take a long time. Number budget, it's a regional film, and so soon I think adula inspiration வந்து ராஜ்மௌலி சார் தான். ராஜ்மௌலி எப்படி அவ்வளோ நாள் நினைச்ச மாதிரி எடுக்கிறாருன்னு சொல்லி ரொம்ப I'm a big fan of his. So September 5th, and thanks to Yuvan for always being my hero, and thanks